All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. Today we're going to be taking my SX 500 e-bike for a spin. I've only had the bike completed maybe a few days, still waiting on a few things to get on the bike. I'd say we're probably about 99% complete, and then I'm trying out the all new Insta360 Ace Pro, so hopefully the video quality and the audio is on point. So let's start off with we have a 72 volt 28 amp hour battery, 170 amp from a Morg. Meshes in and got it built. I just need to get some Velcro for that. We have the Electric & Co. 1 motor, 9-tooth front sprocket, the CMD split sprocket, 60 tooth in the rear. Have the factory SX 500 graphics, vinyl wrapped in carbon fiber, thanks to EMX Brandon. And before we get any further, a huge shout out to Monroe and then EMX Brandon for helping me take my vision and making this build possible. So big thank you to you guys. All right, and then as you can see here in the rear, we have the Electric & Cycle 4 to 5 inch stretch. We have some Amazon drop pegs, and then we have the ride or die front forks along with their brake kit, and of course full frame off restoration as far as powder coating goes. Have EMX Brandon's plug and play kit for his throttle tube, and these are his grips and his voltmeter, and then his switch that he provides. I'll provide a link down in the description to his channel as well. We have the RSF wheels powder coated in white, along with a 130/10 tire. It was a very close fit in the front, so we have some spacers in the front. And then this factory tire without the stretch would not work. The tire actually would hit the heat sink on the motor. So that's pretty much in the nutshell the bike. Got this really nice sweet number plate. Forget what size bike that was off of. And then got an Amazon headlight rechargeable, so it's nice being able to just have that rechargeable as well. All right, so let's give this guy a go. This thing is an absolute freaking torque monster. As you can see, I gotta get more and more comfortable in rider mode 1. Brandon's got me tuned up on this switch, 3 different power levels, and like I said, this thing definitely is pretty mildly tuned in level 1, and then of course you get to level 2 and level 3 and it's just all more of the power. I'm talking, it's a ridiculous amount of power. So I picked up this bike for it was like $200 from some kid's mom in Alabama off Facebook Marketplace. So everything on the bike still worked. The batteries, charger, everything. I actually rode it around, but it didn't take long for me to strip everything off and get it all powder coated. I gotta get some 3D printed guard here to keep these flaps secured, and then I need to add the bump stop here. And then I should be getting my there's a left-handed thread nut that goes on the motor. I forgot to put some thread locker and tighten it down from ENC. So if you get one of the 1 motors, make sure you put some Loctite on that puppy so you're not riding around sketchy like I am. I got a freaking zip tie on mine. All right, so we'll do a level 1 wide open throttle pull. Here we go. Pretty underwhelming, but I'm gonna learn how to stunt with this one. Oh, I forgot to mention also in the rear, we're running the ride or die rear fork, so big shout out to them too. All right, let's put this puppy in level 2. Ooh, switch it on the fly. Here we go. Absolute piss missile. We'll do it again. Get on this street. Here we go. Level 2. Wide open throttle. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do some speed runs in a different video. I need to get my draggy out. I mean, look at that torque, man. It's still wanting to pull. Like I mentioned, another video, we'll get the draggy out and see how fast we can go in level 1, 2, and 3. All right, so level 3, here we go. Shoo! Man, this is so much fun, but it's also sketchy at the same time on a 10-inch wheel. Oh, I'd like to get some 12s on here as well. God almighty, this thing is just so much freaking fun. Hopefully, according to my calculations and everybody with the far driver I have in the battery, we should be able to do 65 mile an hour, which is absolutely plenty on this on this bike. I definitely want to build a bigger bike now. I mean, trust me, this is fun and it ain't going nowhere, but like Brandon's EMX Brandon's B2 with a 17-inch front tire and a 14 rear. Oi. Now, how did my drop peg get spun? Oh, all right, I need to tighten that up. She is loose as a goose. And she will do a burnout. Once we reach 30,000 subscribers, I think we're like 500 off. We're gonna do a 30-second burnout for 30,000 subscribers on the e-bike. So now's a good time to do a shameless plug and hit that subscribe button. Oh man, this thing is just so much fun. Oh, dang, it just got super soft right there. All right, so that is going to be all the time that we have for today's video. I just wanted to make a short little video of me ripping this bike. This thing is an absolute monster, and it is so much fun. But we're super close from having the actual full build complete. But if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll have the link to EMX Brandon Socials and a couple other links that you guys can click to look at various parts and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.